Good evening. In today's top tech story, Apple has officially unveiled the iPhone 16e, a significant addition to its renowned smartphone lineup. This new model aims to deliver premium features and performance at a more accessible price point, appealing to a broader range of consumers.
The iPhone 16e showcases a sleek design, available in elegant matte black and white finishes. It features a 6.1-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display, offering vibrant colors and sharp visuals, perfect for streaming, gaming, and reading. At the heart of the iPhone 16e lies Apple's latest generation A18 chip. This powerhouse ensures fast and efficient performance, handling demanding applications with ease. The 6-core CPU is up to 80% faster than the A13 Bionic chip found in the iPhone 11, providing a seamless user experience. Built for Apple Intelligence, the iPhone 16e introduces an intuitive personal intelligence system. This feature assists users in writing, expressing themselves, and accomplishing tasks effortlessly, all while maintaining robust privacy protections. Photography enthusiasts will appreciate the 48-megapixel Fusion camera system, which includes an integrated 2x telephoto lens. This setup allows for high-quality zoom capabilities, capturing stunning photos and videos with optical precision. In a shift from previous models, the iPhone 16e eliminates the traditional home button, adopting Face ID technology for secure and convenient authentication. Embracing modern connectivity standards, the iPhone 16e features a USB-C port, enabling easy connections to a wide range of accessories and ensuring compliance with universal charging standards. Users can expect exceptional battery performance, with the iPhone 16e lasting up to 6 hours longer than the iPhone 11 and up to 12 hours longer than all generations of the iPhone SE. This ensures prolonged usage throughout the day without frequent recharging. Price starting at $599, the iPhone 16e offers a compelling blend of premium features and affordability. Pre-orders commence on February 21st, with the device becoming available on February 28th.
With the introduction of the iPhone 16e, Apple continues its tradition of innovation, providing consumers with a device that combines cutting-edge technology, elegant design, and exceptional value. Stay tuned for more updates and in-depth reviews as the release date approaches.
For more information, visit Apple's official website or authorized retailers.